Hello guys, welcome back again. It's your boy Montesi, as you all know, the guy that braid like a braider, the guy who do all kinds of hairstyle for you ladies, and a traditional wedding hair also, and the bridal hair. So guys, is an opportunity to um, inform you guys that my Instagram account was hacked by someone else. I wish that person has been asking people for money, even chatting with me, asking me for money. He or she started from 300 euros. Please, I just want to use this video to inform you guys that if you come across such thing, do not reply, because that is not me. I am not the one asking anybody for money. I don't ask anyone for money on my Instagram page. Please, I'll be showing you guys the new Instagram account. So for those of you who has been there for me, please support me by you following me on my new account. This is the old account that was hacked, and please be very careful when anyone chats with you on that account. And this is the new account, so please guys, follow this account, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Montesi Empire Paris. I love you all. Please do not fall victims. That is not me. I am not the one asking people for money. Do not fall victim. Be very careful when that account chat with you. I know I have a lot of people there which he or she has been chatting with. Please don't fall victims. I don't ask anyone for money. This is not me. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate for your love and support. God bless you. Have a beautiful day. Yeah, please make sure you report that account whenever anyone chats with you on that account. Make a report. Don't accept any request from anybody. It is not me. Make a report. Report that account. That account has been hacked by someone, and he has been asking people for money. So please be very careful. Make sure you report that account. It's not me. I don't ask anyone for money. Thank you very much. Report that account. So I just want to use this opportunity to make this video so that you all will know that the account has been hacked and the person is using it. So it's not me. Just be very careful. Make sure you report the account for me.
It's J Fred, deep it's Weezer.
Zazuze, Pokotuaze, I'm on my way to Ilu, I want Osu. Why you know so love, are you mad or something? Nami Gezazu, Were Onijo Unjale, Were Olorin, Pizza Biza, Were Onijo Unjale, Were Olorin, Ripotizeo. Sola